7 foods that can cause acne. Acne breakouts can be quite annoying, especially when they start popping right on the face. You might not even notice, but your favorite foods could be the reason for those zits all over your face. Yes, you read that right. There are times when consumption of some foods can do more harm than good to your body. A diet that consists of unhealthy foods can cause acne to a great extent. Acne is caused by secretion of too much oil sebum in the body. It can also be caused by genetics, irregular menstrual cycle, stress, hot and humid weather, and even by oil-based makeup. Acne can also lead to scars on the face if not taken care of properly. To avoid those unwanted zits, you just need to tweak your diet a bit. Here's a list of foods that you must avoid to get an acne-free skin. 1. Milk and milk products. Let's start with the basics. We drink milk every day assuming it to be extremely healthy for our body and digestive system. However, this might not be true in its entirety. Excess of milk can cause the body to produce a lot of insulin, and hence it is considered insulinogenic. Milk can also cause hormone-dense delivery system, and hormones are directly linked with acne. So, if you want to stay clear of acne, then milk and milk products must not be consumed in excess. 2. Bread. Gluten present in the bread does not only damage the small intestines, but also increases inflammation in the body. Its consumption may also deplete antioxidants in your body. Eliminating bread from your daily diet can prove to be quite beneficial for your body. 3. Spinach. Spinach is usually recommended to people for healthy and clearer skin. However, consuming spinach in excess may lead to breakouts on your face. This is primarily because spinach contains hefty dose of iodine in it. 4. Fried food. Greasy fast foods can aggravate acne to a great extent. Grease and fat present in the processed fried foods can make your skin look unhealthy and can even lead to accumulation of excess oil. 5. Alcohol. Alcohol can not only trigger inflammation, but can also cause an imbalance in testosterone or estrogen levels in the body. Excessive intake of alcohol can put you at risk of zinc deficiency, and zinc is considered as a fighter against acne. Alcohol is not good for the body, which serves as another reason to avoid it. 6. Caffeine. Apart from causing acne, caffeine has the tendency to spread it all over the skin as well. If you wish to have a clearer skin, then you must limit or avoid drinking coffee or anything else that contains caffeine in it. 7. Spicy food. Excess of spicy food can harm the digestive system to a great extent by causing inflammation in the digestive tracts. Indulging in foods that are high on spice quotient can result in acne breakouts on the skin. So bring on these changes in your daily diet and avoid having those annoying breakouts that tend to occur every now and then. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.